The secret of a functional home built using shipping containers is a space-efficient floor plan layout. In this video, we feature a collection of modern floor plans of 9 incredible homes built using shipping containers from around the world. Every house featured in this collection has a floor plan layout with projected cost of construction or the selling price. Stay tuned to find out more about each of these amazing container homes. Without further ado, let's get started. At number 9, the Riverdale Container Home in Edmonton, Canada. This ultra-modern 2-story 3-bedroom home is based on the HO4 Plus model by Honomobo, built with 4 40-foot shipping containers stitched together sitting above a precast concrete garage. The ground floor level accommodates a 1-bedroom suite and a 2-car garage. The guest suite features an open living room with a full kitchen, a 1-bedroom and 1-bathroom layout. An interior staircase from the ground floor lobby leads to the upper story of the house that accommodates an open plan living space with a fully fitted kitchen with high-end appliances, a sizable dining space that can seat 6, and a big lounge area that can accommodate several furniture for lounging and entertaining. The house has got 2 spacious bedrooms with a master bedroom ensuite serviced with a lavish master bathroom. This modern home was listed for $825,000 Canadian dollars. Number 8, Amaganset Container House in Hampton, New York. Modular house is a scalable, light-filled prefab container house embracing the outdoors. The main structure of the house is built using 4 40-foot shipping containers. 2 40-foot containers are placed side by side and 2 more stacked on top within 1,800 square feet of living space. A separate bedroom wing with a single 40-foot container was placed on the northern side of the site to accommodate 2 bedrooms. A spacious entrance lobby ushers you into a nicely furnished, sun-soaked living area, a minimalist galley kitchen with a small peninsula for a breakfast counter, and an amphitheatrical stairwell with a private guest bedroom facing the entrance. A mezzanine level upstairs serves as the master suite with an additional 10-foot container hanging off the second floor to accommodate the master bathroom. The cost range of construction for this house was between $300–350 per square foot. Number 7, the Flying Box Villa by 2A Design near Rennes in France. This 3-story house is built using 5 shipping containers stacked to create a structure that is defined by chamfered facades created by removing some container modules from the top and bottom floors. At the ground floor level, a single container module is used as an entrance lobby, a sewing studio, and an area for laundry plus utilities, leaving the remaining space free for parking. From the entrance lobby, a staircase leads to the main living space on the first floor level, which features an open plan lounge, a dining area, and a kitchen separated by an island unit. Behind the kitchen area are 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. The upper story is the most qualitative space of the house. The master suite occupies the entire second floor, inside a narrow portion of the total volume that extends from the front to the rear of the plot. The projected budget range of this project between $100,000 to $500,000. Number 6, the Foster Residence in Denver, Colorado, United States. This amazing house by a Denver-based firefighter was constructed using 9 recycled shipping containers to create an amazing home measuring 4,000 square feet. The containers are stacked in 2 pairs, forming a stack of 4 on either side, saddling a double volume space in the middle, roofed to form the great room of the house. A blue-painted 9th container spans across the vaulted living space at the rear of the house. The house has got 2 living spaces, where the great room has a lovely sitting area and a separate dining space. The second levels of the house are linked by a cantilevered staircase anchored onto the container side walls. Out of the 5 bedrooms, there are 3 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms, plus a laundry space upstairs, and 2 bedrooms with 1.5 bathrooms downstairs. The project cost was approximately $500,000 with lots of sweat equity. At number 5, the Modern Farmhouse by Backcountry Containers in Texas, United States. This modern farmhouse is built with only 2 40-foot shipping containers placed parallel to each other and set apart to saddle a big living space in between, creating a whopping 1,100 square feet of habitable space. The covered entrance porch opens into a big living space, also known as the Great Room. The Great Room accommodates an open kitchen featuring full-sized kitchen appliances with a generous breakfast island that can sit 3 at the rear end, and a family room with an adequate lounge space that occupies the frontal part of the house. The 2 containers accommodate 3 bedrooms, a master bedroom, a guest bedroom, and a bunk room, plus 2 full bathrooms. The selling price for this model was $71,000 US. Number 4, the Hinterland Container Home in New South Wales, Australia. This stunning 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is built around 7 shipping containers. The containers are laid in a courtyard format with 2 sets of 3 containers in every wing, with a total of 450 square meters of luxury living. The living spaces are set in the center of the house with an open plan layout, accommodating a charming lounge space and a dining area with a modern kitchen space fitted with dark-colored cabinetry throughout. From the living room, a sliding glass door opens onto a covered alfresco, perfect for outdoor sitting and dining. All the bedrooms and bathrooms are accommodated inside the shipping container modules. The house was listed and sold for $1.725 million. Graceville Container Home in Brisbane, Australia. This unconventional home, sprawling over 3 stories, is built using 31 brand new 20-foot shipping containers. The ground floor is comprised of 10 shipping containers, which make up a garage for 2 cars, a gym, a workshop, a studio cum home office, and a rumpus room connected to a large decked area with a saltwater swimming pool. The first floor is made up of 11 containers featuring the social areas of the house, including a sun-soaked living area, an elegant dining space for a large family, a modern fully fitted kitchen with a generous breakfast island, and a laundry space, plus a study and 3 children bedrooms. The master bedroom occupies the entire 2nd floor, built using 10 shipping containers. The master bedroom has extensive walk-in robes, a lavish private ensuite complete with a tiled mural, and a private bedroom terrace. The house was built for $580,000. At number 2, the Low-High Container House in Denver, Colorado. This amazing two-story family home is constructed from 10 recycled shipping containers of various sizes. It comprises of 4 40-foot modules stacked on the front section and 6 20-foot modules laid sideways at the back of the building. The house has an open-plan living space with a round dining table that can comfortably seat 4, and an open kitchen that boasts Italian cabinets with quartz countertops. An odd-legged staircase from the living room leads to the first floor level of the house, with a landing in a winding passage that accommodates 3 bathrooms. Which accommodates 3 bedrooms, a common bathroom, and a master ensuite. The lavish master bathroom is fitted with hotel quality fittings. This amazing home was listed and sold for $679,000 in 2015. At number 1, the Containers Co. in Santa Barbara, California by AB Design Studio. This luxury home is a single-family container-based residence nestled into the lush Santa Barbara hillside. The house is constructed around 5 shipping containers, with the walls poured in place using concrete and supported by I-beam steel sections which hold the shipping containers in place. On the ground floor level, the architects combined living spaces and the kitchen to create a center of activity and an area for entertaining. The space's main focal point is an exposed 20-foot shipping container in the living room that was transformed into a pantry and a scullery. Other spaces on the ground floor include a garage for 2 cars, a bicycle storage, a powder room, and an equipment store. The indoor spaces seamlessly connect to the outdoors to showcase unobstructed picturesque views of the 85-foot swimming pool and the sweeping vistas of the canyon. The upper story consists of 4 40-foot shipping containers fitted with full-height glazing to form the master suite, and 2 additional bedrooms fitted with barn doors recycled from the original container cargo doors. The bedrooms are separated by a dramatic central stairwell and a corridor with skylights. The exposed corrugated container walls brings out the industrial language of the design. The cost for this amazing modern home was not disclosed. Which floor plan layout appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your reasons by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we feature amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.